Want to play GTA San Andreas on your PC but don't know where to download it safely? Before you click any random website, watch this video. I'll show you the official way to download and install GTA San Andreas step by step, quickly, safely, and without any confusion. Let's get started. Now open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Make sure you're using a secure browser with no suspicious extensions. Search for Rockstar Games on Google or navigate directly to rockstargames.com. Here's a critical warning. Always check for rockstargames.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites. Click the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of the website, select Games from the drop-down menu, and type in GTA San Andreas. Here's a quick heads up. Typing GTA San Andreas instead of just GTA gives you more accurate results. Select the game from the search results, click the Buy Now button, and follow Rockstar's official instructions to complete your download safely.